Good morning, day 3 of the loop. I can't believe it's pretty much over. Today's our last day. It's been such a blast. We've been able to just go through and view some of the beautiful scenery up here in Vietnam. It's been absolutely stunning. The crew has been so fun. They've been taking care of us the whole way. They've been so great to work with. Last night we had a blast just having dinner, hanging out, chatting, and then we had some karaoke. It was an absolute blast, but today is our last day, so we're about to go have some breakfast, and then we're gonna get back on the road.
Okay, ready?
Thank you. That was awesome.